Hello, this is Tracy Holgan. This is my one of my videos for assignment 7 for my mindful leadership class. Well, okay, there we go. Why do we often fail to see the big picture? I believe we fail to see the big picture because of our focus. My mother always said things like, "This too shall pass, and in 100 years it won't matter." Unfortunately, I've had a couple of people close to me that have committed suicide. Two of them were while I was in high school. I often think of them and wish things could have been different for them. I wish they could have seen that whatever it was that they were going through at the time, that it wasn't the end all. It would have passed and they could have gone on and had a wonderful life. At the time, I think they felt like whatever was going on was too big for them to overcome. They couldn't see the big picture. Sometimes pain and struggles are just too big and we can't see past our failures and heartaches. Basically, it's just our focus. I've tried to teach my children not to make decisions based on emotions because emotions will cause you to react rather than to respond. You must make decisions based on facts and with a clear head. The next question, what are your priorities? My priorities are serving God, spending time with my family, being happy, and having a happy family. So my first priority is, as a Christian, to serve Him and do kingdom work, basically. I want to have a happy family. I want to spend time with my family. I want to be happy, be healthy, happy. Those are my priorities. Those are pretty much my priorities. All right. So where is your opportunity to make a difference and how are you accomplishing this? This is fun for me. This question is fun for me because this spring I, had a ministry laid on my heart, and I have started a children's foster closet we have so many foster children in our area, and the closest I'm in Marshall County, I'm in Albertville, and the closest foster closet, there's 2 in Huntsville. So our foster families are either driving to Huntsville, driving over an hour, or they are purchasing everything on their own. While they do get a stipend, everybody knows it's not that much. So I just feel like this is a need in our area, and so I have started that. I have some people that are working with me, helping me. We've just gone under another ministry organization in Marshall County as of last week. So we are now nonprofit. So that's great. We can, give the receipts and things for our people who are giving donations and things like that. And so I'm real excited about that. Hopefully, being nonprofit now, we can have a location donated to us. Right now, we're in a tiny, not even a warehouse. It's a storage unit, basically. Paradise Self Storage in our area has donated a 10 by 10, which is great. We're making it work, but I have an entire room of my house that is filled with boxes. I have boxes in my garage, and there's another location, in Gunnersville, which is about, the next town over, that we have, items stored as well. So, we need a bigger place. We need, we need more volunteers. We need things like that. But, the Lord is going to provide those things. So I'm not stressing about that because He has His plan. So, basically, we want to show God's love by supporting foster families in our community. We'll provide new and gently used clothes. We believe that children in foster care should live a normal of life as possible. and providing them with new or gently used in-style clothing, we can help raise their self-esteem so that they can feel good about themselves. So basically that's where I'm trying to make a difference right now. Do I believe I have reached my full potential? No. If I'm not dead, God's not done with me. I am not who I used to be, but I'm not who I'm gonna be. So that's pretty much, he still has I'm certain that God who began a good work in you, within you will continue his work until it is finished. He who begins a good work in you. So yeah, how great can I be? As great as God molds me to be. How do I intend to get there? Not by my power, but only by his power. So what is holding me back? Well, I do have setbacks. I do hold myself back because I listen to those thoughts in my head that tell me I can't do these things. I can't do this. I keep having failures thrown in my face, and I listen to those things sometime, and going back to focus, I have to focus on God, and I have to focus on his work and not focus on my strength because I don't have any. So yeah, I do have things that hold me back. I get discouraged a lot, but, it's okay. We're gonna try again tomorrow. If we don't accomplish what we want to accomplish today, you don't give up. You just try again tomorrow. So those are my answers for this portion of assignment 7. Thanks for watching.